Good morning, students. Last lectures we have started accounting package, that is GNU Khata. While learning GNU Khata, we have learned the introduction to accounting software, golden rules of accounting. There are three types of account, that is personal account, real account, nominal account. Open source accounting software package GNU Khata and its features, and we have learned how to create a new company in GNU Khata, and we have created the first skill oriented practical by use of accounting package, and we have filled the detail of the company name BB Enterprises, case uppercase, company type profit making, financial year 1st April to 31st March, and we have used GNU Khata for accounting only. In the today's lectures, you are going to learn the second SOP. By using GNU Khata, you are going to create a ledger account. What are the ledger account you are going to create? The first one is import duty, insurance, machinery, audit fee, purchase, sales, telephone charges, interest received, salary, and professional fees. These all the ledger account we are going to create by selecting their proper group in GNU Khata. So before that, we are going to see, while creating the ledger account, that particular ledger will go under the particular group. So we are going to first learn which ledger account will go under which group. So now in your computer screen there is group name, subgroup name, and ledger account. Like this three column table is there. In this table, the first group name is capital or corpus. The ledger account you are going to create when capital account, that time it will go under capital. Partners capital account will go under capital group. Share capital account also will go to the under capital, or capital fund ledger account when you are going to create, that time also it will go under the group capital name. Now current asset group, when you are going to select, when you are going to open ledger account, bank account, it will go under current asset. Subgroup name cash as bank. Cash account ledger you are going to create, that time cash in hand subgroup, but it will go under current asset. Petty cash account, closing stock, stock at the beginning, short term loan and advance given to employee, prepaid expenses, all debtors, that the customer account will go under current asset. It has also the subgroup name inventory, loans and advances, sundry debtors. The next, when you are going to create account like a PF, ESI, TDS, dues, etc., it will go under the subgroup provision and the main group current liability. Provision for bad debts ledger account, when you are going to create, that time it will go under subgroup sundry creditor for expenses, but the main group you are going to select, that is current liability. Provision for income tax will go under subgroup sundry creditor for purchases and main group current liability. Outstanding expenses, that also will go under current liability, and all suppliers or creditors account will go under current liability. Next ledger account, that is building account. Immovable property, that's why it is also called as a fixed asset. It will go under subgroup building. Office building account also will go under subgroup building and fixed asset, and factory building account also will go under the fixed asset. Next, furniture account, it will go under fixed asset and the subgroup furniture. Shop furniture account, it will go under furniture. Land account will go under land subgroup. Machinery account will go under plant and machinery. Plant account will go also under plant and machinery, and plant and machinery account also will go under plant and machinery subgroup, but the main group you are going to select, that is fixed asset. Next, bank fixed deposit ledger account you are going to create. That time you are going to select the investment, because this is the investment when you are going to deposit money in bank. So that is your investment. That's why the subgroup you are going to select investment in bank deposit. Investment in share, then also the investment in bank deposit or investment in share and debenture will come. Under investment group will go. Account of all long term loans given by the organization, that will go under loan asset main group. When you are going to create a bank loan account, it will go loan liabilities, secure or unsecure subgroup you are going to select. Other secure loan, that will come unsecure. Loan from partner, loan from manager also will go under the subgroup name unsecure. Preliminary expenses, this will go under miscellaneous expenses. This is also called the asset, but it does not have subgroup name, that's why here it is shown none. So pre-operational expenses etc. will come under the miscellaneous expenses. Next, retain earning ledger account you are going to create. Then you are going to select the group name reserve. General reserves also you are going to select the group name reserve, and reserve and surplus also will come in the reserves group name. Now let's see profit and loss or income and expenditure account group, subgroup and the ledger account. So this will go to the ledger account. Direct income, when you are going to create a ledger account sales, it will go direct income. Professional fees, now in your practical it is asks professional fee. Look here, the professional fee, that will go under direct income. In a practicals, one more ledger account is asked sales, so that will also go under the direct income. Next, what is asked here? Import duty, insurance, machinery. Just now we saw machinery will go under the fixed asset. So here fixed asset, machinery is shown. So machinery account will go under the fixed asset. Then purchase, the purchase will go under direct expenses. Direct expenses, purchase will go under direct expenses. So now we are going to see the remaining one, indirect income, like ledger bad debt ledger account will go indirect income. Commission received, it will go under indirect income. Income from investment, it will go under indirect income. Rent received, interest received etc. will go under indirect income. What are the direct expenses? When you are going to select the direct expenses group, when you are going to create a ledger account like a wages, carriage inward, coal gas, order of factory or factory expenses, freight, import duty, direct expenses. See, in your practical it is asked import duty, so it will come under direct expenses. Octroi, factory expenses. Regarding manufacturing, all this will come under direct expenses. Purchase, sales return etc. Next, what are the indirect expenses? When you are going to select the indirect expenses group name, when you are going to create a ledger account like office expenses, salary, rent, insurance, audit fee, electricity, depreciation, bad debt, telephone charges, commission allowed, discount allowed, export duty, interest on loan, legal expenses, postage and telegram, printing and stationery. Like this ledger account, when you're going to create, that time you're going to select the group name indirect expenses. So what is ledger? Now you're going to create a ledger, but before that you must know what is ledger. A ledger is account contain a record of all transactions relating to an asset, liability, capital, and an item of expenditure or revenue. It has to be created under any of this group. So how to create a account or the ledger account using GNU Khata? The steps are: first you have to create an account. You have to open the GNU Khata. It will allow you to create a single account at a time. So you are going to click on that dashboard, and then you will get like this screen. In this you are going to click on master and then click on account. So when you click on master and account, it allows you to create account. So you will get like this screen where you're going to enter or select group name, subgroup name, and account name. So let's see how we can create a ledger account. So what are the ledger account you are going to create for the SOP number 2? First ledger you are going to create, that is import duty, insurance, machinery, audit fee, purchase. Like this 10 ledger account you are going to create. So that you are going to open GNU Khata. Last lecture also we have learned how to open it. You have to open the browser and type GNU Khata.in. Once you type www.gnukhata.in, it will show you the GNU Khata website. Once it is open, you have to click on try it out, or you can directly download and install on your computer. Once it is installed, you can use GNU Khata as an offline accounting software. Otherwise you have to click on try it out, this button, and provide your email ID. If you already registered, then enter your email ID, which email ID you use to register GNU Khata. And click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, you will see the welcome to GNU Khata screen will appear, and it will show the first screen, that is select company. Last lecture we have created the company name XYZ Company Limited. We are going to select the same XYZ Company Limited, not for profit. Once you selected the company, it's automatically select its financial year. You have to click on next. It will ask you to enter username of the company. So we are going to enter the username ABC123, and what password you are given to that company, you have to enter that password and click on login. Once you click on login, then your company will open. Once it is open, you have to click on this 3 line, means your dashboard. You have to click over here, dashboard will come, and then click on master. Under the master menu, you have to click on account. Once you click on account, you will see the create account screen. In this screen, you are going to select first group name for the account. So what is the first ledger you are going to create? That is import duty. So import duty will come under direct expenses. So here you are going to select the group name direct expenses. Subgroup name is not there for direct expenses. You have to enter account name import duty. And click on save. Once you click on save, you will get a message account created successfully. So first ledger account we have created, that is import duty. Now second we are going to create, that is insurance. So select the group name indirect expenses. So here indirect expenses and account name insurance. Insurance and click on save button. So your account created successfully. So we have created two ledger, import duty and insurance. The next ledger we are going to create, that is machinery. It will go under fixed asset. So select the group fixed asset and give account name machinery. And then click on save. So this also account created successfully. Next, audit fee. So audit fee will go under provision loan liability. So let's create loan liability. Or current liability also you can use over here. And give the account name audit fee. And click on save button. So account created successfully. Next, purchase. It will go under group direct expenses. So select the group direct expenses and enter account name purchase. And click on save. So account created successfully. Next, you are going to create sales ledger account, that is direct income, and give account name sales and click on save button. So this also created successfully. Next, telephone charges. It is indirect expenses. So select indirect expenses group and then enter a ledger account name telephone charges and click on save. Next, interest received. It will go under indirect income. So select indirect income group and enter the ledger account name interest received. And click on save. Next, salary ledger account. That is indirect expenses. So select here indirect expenses group and enter the salary ledger account and click on save. And next, professional fees. The professional fees will go under direct expenses. So here you are going to select direct expenses and then give account name professional fees and then click on save. So here we have created all the ledger account by using GNU Khata. So I hope you understood how to create a ledger account by using any open source accounting package. We are learning GNU Khata version 7.0. You can use any other open source software like GNU Cache or any other accounting software. Now we will see how to edit account. To edit or delete account, you are going to click on edit account and select appropriate account from list of account drop down. So to edit the account, you have to go to again dashboard over here and then click on account and then click on edit account. Once you click on edit account, here you are going to get the list of account. So here you have to click and then you can see the list of accounts is displayed over here. So here list of account is displayed. Just now you have created audit fee, then electricity, import duty, insurance, interest received. Just now we have created. So which account you are going to edit, that account you are going to click. For example, audit fee. By mistake you have selected wrong group, then you have to edit the account. So that reason we are going to select edit account option. So click on audit fee and then you can make changes. For example, subgroup came wrong or group name went wrong, so you can change by clicking on that, or you can delete the account. Suppose you want to delete this account, just click on delete, or if you want to edit this account, click on edit. Now if you click on edit, then you can select the group name under which group it will go. Suppose this audit fee is under direct expenses, then click on the direct expenses. And if you made the changes, you want to save it, click on save. Otherwise click on reset, so automatically it will go to the original account. So list of accounts are over here. Here you will get all the account name. So audit fee, current liabilities, bank account, current asset, cash in hand, current asset, closing stock, current asset. This all account list you will get. Purchase account, direct expenses. So this whatever this thing you have created, it will be displayed over here. So this way we can delete any ledger account or edit any account by clicking on edit account, and then you can select the account which you want to delete. For example, I'll show you one account how to delete it. Audit fee only we are going to select and then click on delete. So once you click on the delete, it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete that? If you want to delete, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. So this way you can delete any account. To create account, you have to click on create account. To see the list of account, click on list of account. So here we have finished the second SOP, create ledger account using accounting package. So I hope you understood how to create a ledger account in any open source accounting package. We have used here GNU Khata for creating ledger account. Thank you.